In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Safemoon tokens in Bitmart exchange. Now just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content, and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. First, log into your Bitmart account and click on My Account at the right corner here, click on Asset. And if we come to this page, you'll notice there's no sign of Safemoon here. But I actually have some Safemoon available which I bought on my previous video. You can check the tutorial on how to buy Safemoon on Bitmart, the link will be available in the description below. What you want to do is you want to click on this total, and it organizes it by highest to lowest, and then you can see as the page refreshes, my Safemoon appears. And now you can see I've 19 million Safemoon in my Bitmart exchange. Then go ahead and click on Trade. And it'll redirect you to this page. It's a bit confusing if you've never seen one of these before, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. You can see in the top left-hand corner it says Safemoon to USDT. It also shows the current trading price here, and that's in USDT. And then it shows you all the buys and sells that have recently gone on in the exchange. Basically how much people have spent and how many Safemoon they have received. I want to sell at available market price, so I will click on Market. But if you want to sell at your preferred price, like when the price of Safemoon goes up, then leave at limit. So then I'm gonna decide the amount I want to sell. And in my case, I want to use all my Safemoon to USDT. So I go ahead and I click 100%. That fills in and shows me how many USDT I'm gonna get for my Safemoon, and it tells me my total down at the bottom here. So I go ahead and click Sell Safemoon. So as you can see, my order has been successful. So I'm going to go click on Orders History. And we can see here, a market price of 4 to 5 Safemoon, and it's been filled fully. So now I'm going to go back to the top of the page and I'm going to check this out. So I'm going to click on My Account here, I'm going to click on Assets. And if we come to this page, you'll notice now, you can see I've got 37 USDT in my Bitmart exchange, and that's exactly how you sell Safemoon using the Bitmap exchange. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one.